Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, we're doing Mrs. Prindables 24 dipped caramel pretzel rods. Yes, dark chocolate, light chocolate, all kinds of goodies. There's 24 in this box. We're doing an unboxing and we're going to look at each one of these. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of your review channel. What I have here is something very awesome. Mrs. Prindables 24 dipped caramel pretzel rods. Check this out. Some goodness here. We're going to do a review. We're going to open up some of these and we're going to take a look what's inside. We're going to taste it and we're going to let you know what I think if these are kind of cool. You can get these at Costco. Also, you can get them online as well. I'll leave some links down below if you don't know where to get them. Mrs. Prindables has been around for a very long time. They make a really high quality chocolate apple. If you've never seen them before, they're absolutely fantastic. But these are pretzels. I'm a huge pretzel fan. I love pretzels. So we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to take a look at this gift set here with 24 dipped caramel pretzel rods. Okay, I'll take a look at the back here real quick for you. Nutrition. Again, this is not if you're watching your calories and you're watching your intake of colors or whatever you have a problem with, whatever. Read the ingredients. Okay, I'll take a quick shot. I'll post the ingredients on real quick so you can see them. So 24 servings per container. There's 24 in here. Each one is one serving, one pretzel. Okay, so you can see that real quick. I'll give you a quick shot. I'll take a snapshot of that and I'll just post that in a minute. You can see that. Every one pretzel has 170 calories, which is not terrible. Total fat is 7 grams. It's a little high. That's 9% of your daily allowance. Saturated fat is 4. I don't like that, but it is what it is. If you don't have too many, don't worry, but that's 20% of your daily allowance. Trans fat 0, which is excellent. Cholesterol 5 milligrams. That's 2% of your daily allowance. Sodium 140, not terrible. Total carbohydrates 29 grams. That's 11% of your total daily allowance. Dietary fiber 1 gram. Total sugar 17 and includes 17 grams of added sugar. So has a lot of sugar, which chocolate would. And it's milk chocolate and dark chocolate. It's like a mixture here. So they have 3 different ones that are in the package. It's a dark chocolate with white chocolate drizzle. That's 1. Milk chocolate with toffee pieces. That's number 2. And milk chocolate with candy coated chocolate crisps. And they look scrumptious. So I saw this in the store. I said, I gotta get this. I gotta do a review and open this up and just see, what it's like. Let's open this box up. Let me get my knife and let's see. I got a little dish here. We will open them on the dish. We will look at them. I will taste them for you and I'll let you know what I think. Again, everyone's taste is different, but I love milk chocolate. So if you don't like milk chocolate, this is probably maybe not for you. I think milk chocolate's awesome. Okay, so what's cool about this is that they're all individually packed. Check this out. Look at this goodness. Whew. Wow. These look awesome. Let me get a little closer for you. Hey, hope you're enjoying this review of these awesome pretzels from Mrs. Prindable. Don't forget to subscribe. It does help my channel out very much. Let's get back to the unboxing and review. Okay, guys, so I am back here with the selection. I got a little closer so you can see. I want you to really see what I'm doing here. Okay, so we have all individually packaged. There's 24 of these. You can make gift bags out of these. You can give them as presents. You can give them out for Halloween if you really want to be loved by all the kids. But there's a ton in here, 24, that's a lot. So we're going to take 3 out and we're going to take a look at the 3 top ones that are in here. There's 3 different versions, 3 different varieties, and we're going to crack them open and take a look at them, each one of these. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it as always for tuning into your review channel. We do all types of reviews from food to tech reviews to everything there is to review. I love everything, so I love to bring everything to you and just show you a little bit about what I like, and you can judge for yourself what you like. Okay, so we have the dark chocolate, the candy coated, and this is the let's see what this is. This is the toffee. Okay, again, you get a ton of these. Look at this. This is really cool. Okay, guys, so if you love pretzels and you love chocolate, I can't see how you can't go wrong, to be honest with you. I mean, really, think about it. All right, so let's start with the first one. Okay, so the first one here, this is dark chocolate with the milk chocolate drizzle. Just open this up and take a look at it. We'll look at it together. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave down below. I do appreciate it as always. So the first impression is that they're really quite hearty. There's a lot of chocolate. Okay, the pretzel is one of those long, thin pretzels, right? which is really kind of cool. Probably has a little salt on it, which is kind of nice. So you get that salty sweet mixture, which is really nice. You get a nice look at the texture. Hopefully you can see everything there. That is a beautiful looking pretzel, I must tell you. So we must lay these down and they ooze all the chocolate all over them. They are awesome looking. All right, I'm gonna taste this. We gotta hear the crunch. Let's listen to the crunch. Oh, and that is caramel in here and chocolate, and that looks awesome. Let me just take a bite. Very good. I'm not a huge dark chocolate person. I'm a milk chocolate lover. But this is not bad. Not bad at all. Again, I am more of a milk chocolate lover, but the dark chocolate's excellent. Number one. Let's try the second one here. Let's try this one. This is milk chocolate with toffee pieces. Again, I'll bring it to you. Again, individually packed. As you can see, coated with gorgeous toffee just falling off everywhere. Wow. Lots of toffee. And lots of chocolate. And I love milk chocolate. So each one of these probably has, I think, a little caramel in each one. Let's crack this one and see how this sounds. Nice. Okay, so let's taste this one. I'm making a mess over here. So you can see inside here, you can see a little bit of the caramel, a little bit of the milk chocolate, and you got the toffee. Let's try this one. So good. Wow. This guy's is awesome. All right. Wow. This is my favorite right here. Remember? Again, I'm not a dark chocolate lover, but it does give you that variety. That is awesome. Let's try another one. And this is the last one here. So this is the milk chocolate with candy coated chocolate chips. That's what it says. Let's cut this open. Let's take a look at this one. Let's pull this one out of the bag. Wow. Again, you can't go wrong with that. Look at this. That is awesome. Look at this thing. I mean, if you love chocolate and you love pretzels, then they are salty. I love the salty sweet. They are super good. Let's crack this open right in front of the camera so you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Caramel and chocolate. Look at that. It's awesome. Look at that. I think this is going to be my favorite, guys. I don't know. Let's see. All right. They're falling everywhere. Let's save them. Let's taste it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner for me. Right here, guys. Sorry for talking with my mouth full of food. So here you go. All these pretzels. Okay. There's 24 total. Okay. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. If you found this review interesting, leave some comments below. Tell me what you like from Mrs. Prindable. Do you like their apples? Do you like their pretzels? What other products do you like of Mrs. Prindables? I'll leave a link down below where you can get these. If you don't see them in your local Costco or local store, I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase them. It's an Amazon link. And I do get a small referral fee if you do purchase them, just to let you know, in all transparency, and everything is very transparent with everything I do. But I try to bring you quality products that I like and find, and do a review so you can see what's out there if you're not sure. All right, guys, can't go wrong with this. Makes a great gift. Put them in a gift bag. Give them as a holiday present. Put them in a little stocking stuffer. I mean, anything you want to do whatsoever. These are really nice quality. Don't forget, 170 calories for one, so you can have this with a hot cup of coffee, right? You can dip this in the coffee, you can melt the chocolate. Can't go wrong with that. I like that. You can have it with milk, chop them up, give them to the kids. I don't know, all kinds of cool things. I think these are awesome. Tell me what you think. All right, guys, won't take any more of your time. Again, I'm going to ask you one more time to please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the Mrs. Prindable's awesome chocolate-covered pretzels. All right, guys, check this out.
This is awesome. Okay guys, I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.